Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in with another Technician Tuesday. My name is Levi, and today we're going to be talking about your automatic heat and AC button in your vehicle if you have one. We had one of our customers, Miss Polly. She reached out to us and suggested that we talk about this, and her main question was whether to use the button year-round or not. And so I have done some digging. I have spoke with our technicians, and here's the information that I came up with. So the automatic AC heat option in your vehicle is similar to a central heating and air system in your house. If you have one, you set that system to a certain temperature and it maintains that temperature in your house. The automatic AC and heat button in your vehicle, it has a similar function. If you want to be comfortable, you want it to be at a certain temperature, you need to use that automatic option. Say for instance, you're going on a road trip or you're going to be in your vehicle for the lengthy amount of time, hit that automatic button, set it to the setting that you want and it'll maintain that in the vehicle. Now, if you're going to be in your vehicle a short amount of time, maybe it's a really hot summer day or a really cold winter day, you're going to want to either crank that heat or crank that AC temperature up to get it to the setting that you want while you're in there for a short amount of time. So it really just depends on what you're trying to accomplish. But that is what the information that I gathered. I hope that helps you, Miss Polly, and I hope that helps our customers out there who may be wondering the same thing. Listen, guys, if you have any more questions, any more suggestions on things that we can talk about here at Crossroads, we want to keep you guys as informed as possible and to give you as much information as we can. So put it in the comment section below. Like this post, maybe direct message us with some questions that you may have, and we'll try our best to touch on those as well. Thank you guys for tuning in with us today over another Technician Tuesday, and we will see you next time.